Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Aditi. I hope all of you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to review ELF newly launched bite size palettes, like face palette that has blush and highlighter. So these are the palettes. These has blushes and highlighter, and I'm gonna review these two because I have two of these. They have 5 shades in this particular range, but I have two of these shades. So I'm gonna review these palettes, everything about these, the price point and how these applies on your face and how you can actually use these in multiple ways. So if you want to know how these applies on the skin and if these are actually worth your money and your try, then make sure to watch this video till the end. I will talk about everything about these products. So yeah, please continue watching, but before that, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. So if you like my content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can share this video with your family and friends as well if you think this video would be helpful for any of them. And yeah, without more blabbering, let's get started. So before I start with the review, I have one amazing product to show you guys. That is the Dermaco 15% AHA 1% BHA Beginner's Peeling Solution. You guys know how much I love makeup, but still no one really wants to wear makeup every single day, right? We all desire for a naturally glowing skin that needs no filter. But in this time where there's a lot of pollution and dirt, and that makes our skin super dull, we get clogged pores, uneven skin tone, breakout, acne scars and whatnot. We all are dealing with these things, right? So I have one solution for all of these problems that's gonna save you a lot of time and money, and that is the Dermaco's 15% AHA 1% BHA Beginner's Peeling Solution. This is a gentle formulation that deeply exfoliates your skin and clears the skin from within. This chemical peel is perfect for any of you out there who's just, who are just starting off with chemical peels, because this is a solution for beginners. This is gonna fight dullness, uneven skin tone, large pores and blemishes. Now let me show you how you wanna use this product. So your skin should be nicely clean and dry. Then apply the peeling solution, avoiding the eye area and lips. Leave it for 10 minutes. If you feel a little bit warm and tingly sensation, that's completely normal, so don't get scared. I'm gonna apply an even layer of this all over your face. As you guys know that this is the combination of AHA and BHA. So they use glycolic acid. It is a form of AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid, which effectively removes dead skin cells to reveal fresh, bright and youthful looking skin. It fights acne, remove dead skin cells and minimize pores. On the other side, they have used salicylic acid, which is a BHA. This go deep into the pores to remove dead skin cells and clear sebum. It primarily targets enlarged pores and acne. After 10 minutes, wash it off with cold water. I would recommend to use this at night or maybe in the evening time, because our skin becomes photosensitive after the chemical peeling. Do not forget to apply a good sunscreen next day. This is the ultimate exfoliation for clear and radiant skin. I would recommend you to use this once a week. That would be more than enough. And when I say just leave it for 10 minutes, that means 10 minutes, you guys. You don't want to leave it for more than 10 minutes on your face. So start your journey to a healthy skin that needs no filter with the Dermaco. You can use my code, which is right now on the screen, and you would get 20% off on the Dermaco website. This coupon code is only valid on the Dermaco website, and you can use this on individual products, not on the combos, because the combos are already on a discounted price. All the links will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Alright, so let's begin with the packaging. So that's how the product looks like. You have got this beautiful tiny palette, and this is a plastic packaging, but this is not at all of cheap quality. Right here you have got the sticker for the shade name, and this is in the shade Lychee. As you guys can clearly see that right here. On the back of this, you have got everything that you want to know about the product, the MRP, the amount that you get, again I think the shade name, everything that you really want to know about the product is written right here. The packaging is really nice, and this is literally tinier than my hand. You can see like it's tinier than my palm, so it's very tiny. The name suggests exactly what it is, like the bite size palette. It's really tiny, perfect for travel purpose. You have got a blush and highlighter, and I personally love these kind of palettes which have multiple products in it and which is very tiny. So that is like perfect for travel purpose. You don't want to carry a lot of big palettes and different blushes and highlighters or bronzers. So if you get something like this in one palette, you get 2 or 3 products sometimes. So these kind of, palettes is something which I absolutely love. If I talk about the price point, these palette retails for 400 rupees, and you can actually get these for much affordable prices. I think I got these actually, yeah, during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and the offer was going on that buy one and get one free, and that's why I got two of these. So this one particular palette cost me 200 bucks, which I would say is really really affordable, because you are getting two products. So for a blush, you are getting a blush for 100 bucks and a highlighter for 100 bucks, which I think, if this works, if this is of good quality, I think this is a steal. So you have got a blush and a highlighter, and the blush is a matte blush. This has no shimmery particles whatsoever, so this is a proper matte blush. So let me give you the swatch of these. So this is the blush, which feels so soft to touch, and the highlighter again is really really buttery soft. This is the blush and this is the highlighter, and you can see this is looking so beautiful. What I can see from the hand swatch, it's going to be a blinding highlighter, but let's see how this is gonna look on my face. And these are the swatches of the shade Lychee. So these are the swatches for the shade Spiced Apple. Again, the blush looks absolutely stunning, and the highlighter, oh my god, this is so pigmented, and the blushes are so buttery soft. These swatch so beautifully, not at all powdery, and that's what I really liking about these. These are the swatches, and you can see the difference in the shades, and the swatches look so beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply one shade on this side and the other shade on this side, so that you can see the difference in the shades, and you can make up your mind which one you want to get if we like these. So let's begin with the application. I'm really excited because I haven't used these on my face. I've just swatched these before as well, so I don't know how these are going to look with full face of makeup. So let's begin. So I'm gonna start off with this shade. This is in the shade Lychee. I'm gonna take this on my clean brush and dusting off the excess, because we don't know how pigmented these are. So I'm gonna just start with a little amount, and then if I feel like that I want to build it up, I'll just go and build it up. So let's begin. Just right here, I'm gonna press it. So that's how it looks. I just took a little bit more, and I'm just gonna build it up. So just starting from my temple, like just from here, and just taking it here, like apples of my cheek. And you can see this is a beautiful shade. This is not looking powdery at all. You can see this is so gorgeous, right? And once that is applied, I'm just gonna take the brush and just start doing this circular motions, so that it looks really nice and blended. This is like my kind of shade, which I personally like to apply a lot, and you can see what a difference blushes make, right? It's just a huge difference. This is looking so fresh, and it really lifted my face beautifully, and the side is just flat. So this is definitely pigmented, but not like a very pigmented. So if you're a beginner, you can easily work with these because sometimes some products are extremely pigmented and you don't know how to really apply this, and you just take a lot of product, or sometimes you just take very little product and just apply that, and it becomes like a patch on our face, right? So I think it's not doing that. You can easily build it up. As you can see that I have built it up, and I've applied this 2-3 times, and that's how it is looking. Now on this side, I'm gonna use this shade, which is in the shade Spiced Apple. So I just cleaned my brush on a clean cloth. So now I'm gonna take this shade right here. So if you just take very little amount of this, so in just one go, it looks very natural. It does make a difference, but it's just very barely even there kind of a look, which you can really use for your no makeup looks, because it's really nicely pigmented. You can really easily work with this. So this is like in one go. And now I'm gonna take a little bit more, and again I'm gonna just build it up, just tapping the brush on my cheeks and taking it up till here, my temple, so that it gives me really nice lifted look. This shade is more of like a warm brown shade, and this side is more of like a pinky tone, pinky peachy tone. This is more of brownie, orangey brownie tone. That's how I can really explain the shades, but both the shades are really beautiful, yet so different from one another. I think you can clearly see that on camera, right? Just taking it close to my nose so that it gives me a really nice, sun-kissed look. I think this shade is perfect for that purpose because it has like really nice warmth, and it is kind of like a brownie orangey shade, so it's perfect for your sun-kissed look. When you're going for a really nice sun-kissed look, I think this shade is gonna look absolutely beautiful for that purpose. Now it's the time for highlighters. So again, I'm gonna take this particular shade, which is the shade Lychee, and I'm gonna take this side of my brush and I'm just gonna clean it up on a clean towel, and then I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is the highlighter. And again, I'm just gonna take very little amount of this because this could be chunky or like super pigmented, and I'm gonna dust off the excess, and then I'm just gonna hit it on the highest points of my face. You can see that I just took very little amount of this, and I literally dust off most of the product, and still it is giving me this kind of a glow. But oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's not at all emphasizing the texture. This is not chunky, so soft on the skin and so beautiful. Can you see that, the glow? Now on this side, I'm gonna take this particular highlighter and I'm just gonna dust off so much so that I can just get a really nice soft highlight. Again, a really beautiful shade, you guys. Oh my god, I mean, these are applying so easily, and no chunky particles at all. I think I'm just in love with these palettes. These are like gorgeous. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually use this in multiple ways as I promised. So I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take this blush shade, which is the shade Lychee, on my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to start applying this on my eyes. So this is going to give a really nice everyday kind of a makeup look. Obviously blushes are not that pigmented as our eyeshadows, so it's definitely not gonna look that pigmented. But if you just need a flush of color on your eye, and you just need something on your eye and which is not so prominent, I think blushes is perfect for that purpose. So you just can take the blush and apply that on your lid. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my lid. And it is looking really nice on the skin, like on my eyes. It's not like it's not at all visible. If you just build it up 2-3 times, it's gonna look so good. On this side, I'm gonna use the shade Lychee. Again, I'm just gonna take the shade and apply that all over my lid area. You can see, right, it is looking so nice and so beautiful. Perfect for your everyday makeup looks, or like for your no makeup look. It's looking so good. Like it is matching my cheek, and that's why I'm really liking this, and it is blending also really beautifully. You can use this highlighter as your eyeshadow. Like you can apply this all over your lid and it's gonna look so beautiful. But I just want my eyes to look completely matte today, so I'm just gonna use this highlighter to highlight my inner corners. I'm just gonna take a really tiny brush, taking the product, and I'm just gonna apply that on my inner corners right here. Alright, so this is the finished look, you guys. This side I have the shade Lychee, and on this side I have the shade Spiced Apple. And now is the final verdict time, and I think that is not a surprise to you guys, right? Because I just loved these palettes. I mean, these applies so beautifully, so pigmented. Actually not extremely pigmented, like the right amount of pigment if you're a beginner. I think these are the palettes for you, because these are really nicely, decently pigmented, and the highlighter is something that you can get a really nice, subtle look. And if you'd like, if you're one of those people who like blinding highlighters, you can just go for this. This is so good. The highlighter doesn't, emphasize the texture, doesn't look chunky. It's so soft, gives like really nice water like finish, so gorgeous. And the shades of blushes, oh my god, these are so gorgeous. This one is a little bit of pink, and this one is a little bit of browny orangey shade. Perfect for warm skin toned people like me. If you have like medium skin tone, like dusky skin tone, like medium to dusky skin tone, I think this one would look absolutely gorgeous. And if you're from fair skin type, you can go for this one, which is the shade lychee. Now when I'm saying that you can go for this, if you're a medium skin tone person, you can go for this one. If you're like a fair skin person, you can go for this one. I'm just saying if you just want to get only one. But if you want to get both of these, you guys, you can get both of these. If you're from medium skin tone, you can go for both of these, because I have medium skin tone, right? And this one also is looking nice on me as well. So you can go for both of these. If you have fair or medium or dusky skin tone, it's gonna look so gorgeous. So yeah, I think I have said everything about these are super affordable. For 400 rupees you're getting this, and I would say don't get it for 400. Just wait for the discounted prices for the sale, and you would be just amazed how beautiful these palettes are. Yeah, that's what I have to do for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. I love you guys all so much. Bye.